In just one day, more than 165,000 Google searches happen for churches near me in the United States, with almost 17,000 variations and 300 related questions. It is crucial that your church is included in these search results so that the people in your community can find you. So we've put together 3 essential online strategies for your church in 2023. In this video, we'll be discussing the importance of keeping your website, Google My Business listing, and social media profiles relevant and up to date in order to attract new visitors to your church. One of the first steps you can take is to make sure that your church website is relevant and up to date. This means including important information like your address, your phone number, your email, your social media links, and keeping your service times and details current and easy to find on the homepage. You should also include elements like your denomination, statement of faith, and other relevant information. Remember, 54% of website visitors will leave a website if they can't find contact information or a phone number. Another really important aspect is your Google My Business listing. Did you know that 3 out of 4 searches start on Google? And Google Maps is used by more than 70% of drivers every single day. It is essential to do regular maintenance checks on your GMB listing to ensure that your phone number, hours, and location are correct. You can also update your hours to account for holiday closures and extra service times. Your Google My Business page is not only a way to make sure that people can find you, but it's also an opportunity to provide answers to common questions, link to your social media, and give visitors an idea of what to expect from your church culture based on the reviews that they read there. Finally, don't forget about social media. The average church with a Facebook page engages a following size of 166% of its congregation. So it is crucial to make sure that your social media profiles are up to date. People will use social media to get a feel for your worship service, your children's ministry, and how you engage with questions and comments. While you may only have time to post on your social media a couple of times a week, make sure that all of the pictures and information are current and that you're monitoring and responding to comments. In today's digital age, it's essential to make sure that your church is leveraging all of the online tools available to attract new visitors. Don't miss the opportunity to share the gospel in 2023 because of an outdated website or an inaccurate Google My Business page. If you need help creating a website for your church, our Start Site service can help you build and launch a fully functional website in just 1 hour. Thanks for watching, and we hope these tips will help your church reach more people in the new year. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more great content just like this. For Start Church, I'm Ashley White. Have a blessed day.